Ang lalim ng realization ni Kylie Padilla tungkol sa kanyang peklat sa buhay. Aniya sa isang post, "It took a year to shed that scar and that scene. It took me cutting my own heart out to see all the way in. It took me finally looking into that cracked mirror, that of all the versions, there is still a soul left inside her. Be careful what you tell your mind, it can become quite unkind. Be careful what you believe and your self-talk, it affects your body and even how you walk. Don't let yourself waste precious time thinking you are an open wound, you are worthy and you are not ruined. This year has been a blessing for my soul. I've never stood taller after I was made to crawl," aniya. Kaya bumilib ang kanyang followers dahil alam daw nilang mas matapang na ngayon ang kapuso actress. Walang pinatutungkulan si Kylie Padilla pero hinuhulaan nilang may connect dito si Aljur Abrenica.